Of Excel in Excel, and today we are going to learn data validation in Excel. There are information which has some characteristics such as PAN or your mobile number that will be of 10 digits only. So for these data you can put a restriction in your Excel sheet so that wrong data is not input against your parameters. This kind of restriction can be inserted by using data validation. In this video we will see how it works for PAN. Data validation is present in the Data tab, where you can navigate through Alt, A, V and V. Now we can see there is three options available. First is Settings, Input Message and Error Alert. Now in my example I will go to Settings and I will choose the text length. As you can see, there are multiple options where you can choose for date, list, decimal number and even customs. In my example I will use text length. I will choose exactly equal to 10. As you all know, the PAN is of 10. Now my input message. Now this kind of message is used if you want the user to get a message whenever he or she scrolls around your sheet. It is used. In my example I will keep the title as PAN and input message as and keep it to 10 digits. Now next is error alert. Now if the information needs to be exactly what you have mentioned in settings, keep it to stop and write the title and the message, that is wrong PAN, and my message will be please check the PAN length. Now if I press OK, and as you can see, since I had selected all my regions, if I write here any digit which is less than 10 in length, it will not accept it, or even if it is of 11. In my example, if I write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, it is of 10, it is accepting. But if I write and 999, it won't be accepting it because I have set the parameter of 10 digits. But if your information is such that 10 digit is acceptable, but you won't mind even 11 digits, then you can use the error alert tab again. Now in my case, I will again navigate to the data validation tab and I will choose error alert, and in this situation I will use the warning and press OK. Now if a user writes n digit which is of 12 in length or 13 or even 9, it will show a warning that if you want to continue, press yes or no, and if I want to proceed further and type yes, it will let me proceed further. So that's the usage of the warning method. If you are wondering how this column C is automatically calculating the length of column B, then don't worry, I have made a separate video on it. The link is in the description box. You can watch it. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.